Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of essential oils. And I've got something truly special to share with you. If you're in the market for the best tea tree essential oil, look no further because I've got a gem for you. Introducing NaturoBliss 100% Pure Tea Tree Essential Oil. This 4 fluid ounces bottle is packed with pure goodness. And I'm here to tell you why it's a game changer in the world of aromatherapy and relaxation. First off, let's talk about purity. This essential oil is 100% pure, undiluted, and steam distilled to maintain its exceptional quality. No additives, no fillers, just pure tea tree goodness. But what sets NaturoBliss apart from the rest? Well, besides its purity, it's also therapeutic grade, meaning it's not just for adding a pleasant scent to your home. It's packed with extraordinary therapeutic properties that can uplift your mood, smooth your skin, and even help clear blemishes. But wait, there's more. NaturoBliss goes the extra mile to ensure the quality of their product. The essential oil comes in a high-quality glass bottle infused with a UV-colored coating to protect it from sunlight and degradation. Plus, they throw in a premium glass dropper for easy and precise application. Now, let's talk benefits. Tea tree essential oil is renowned for its relaxing aroma, making it perfect for vapor therapy. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or create a calming atmosphere in your home, this oil has got you covered. But before you rush to add this to your cart, a word of caution. While tea tree oil has incredible benefits, it's not for internal use. Always dilute it with a carrier oil before topical application. And if you're pregnant or have sensitive skin, be sure to consult your doctor. So, there you have it, folks. NaturoBliss 100% Pure Tea Tree Essential Oil is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their well-being through the power of aromatherapy. With its premium quality, therapeutic benefits, and convenient packaging, it's a no-brainer addition to your collection. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy relaxing.